everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to unlock daily bonus levels in the Make Money Earn Easy Cash app. These daily bonuses are a quick way to multiply your earnings. Here's exactly how to unlock it and claim them every day. First of all, open the app daily. Download the app Make Money Earn Cash app from the App Store or Google Play. Simply opening the app once per day starts your daily login streak. This activates bonus levels automatically. In the daily bonus section, the gift box, tap the gift box icon or go to the menu of daily bonus. You'll see levels day 1, day 2, day 3, etc. with rewards that increases the longer your streak continues. To unlock each day bonus, finish at least one task. It can be watching an ad, completing a survey, or typing an app offer. Once done, your daily bonus for that level will light up. Tap to claim it and collect it. Keep your streaks alive. The bonus resets if you skip a day. Open the app every 24 hours to keep unlocking higher bonus levels. Payouts can increase by 20 to 50% after a few consistent days. Some tasks give you bonus coins when done right after claiming your daily reward. Combine these to earn extra fast. Safety tip: never use VPNs or fake reasons to boost daily bonuses. The app can detect it and reset your streak. Quick fix: if the bonus doesn't show up, close and reopen the app. Update to the latest versions. Check your streak under bonus history, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.